To trade options on the Charles Schwab mobile app, you will need to have a Schwab brokerage account and the app downloaded on your mobile device. First, log into the app using your username and password. Then navigate to the Trade tab. Select the stock or ETF you want to trade options on and click on the Options Chain button. This will take you to the Options Chain page where you can view all the available options contracts. For the selected security, the options chain is divided into two sections: calls and puts. Calls give the buyer the right to buy the underlying security at the strike price, while puts give the buyer the right to sell the underlying security at the strike price. To buy or sell an options contract, select the strike price and expiration date you are interested in. Then choose the type of option you want to trade, either a call or a put. Next, select the order type, such as a market order or limit order, and enter the number of contracts you want to trade. Review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then submit it. Once your order is filled, you can view your position in the portfolio section of the app. It is essential to have a solid understanding of options trading and the risks involved before trading options on the Charles Schwab mobile app. It is also crucial to set clear goals and develop a trading strategy that works for you. Start with small positions and gradually increase your exposure as you gain more experience. Additionally, make sure to monitor your positions closely and adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps and being mindful of the risks and rewards, you can effectively trade options on the Charles Schwab mobile app and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always prioritize risk management and never invest more than you can afford to lose.